Hi and welcome, and today we're going to be designing some beautiful tassel earrings with a little bit of an ethereal flair. Firstly, you're going to need a pair of clippers, then you're going to need a lighter. We're also going to be using a pack of pearls, but we're not going to be using all of them. Then you're also going to need hooks for your earrings, and this is what the hooks look like. So you're going to be using these, you're going to be attaching these using some pliers. Oh yes, you're also going to need pliers as well. Then these are the tassel earrings, or the tassel pieces that we're going to be using to make the earrings. We've got dusty pink ones and we've also got white ones, so we'll be using these. I also have black ones, but I didn't show them in the tutorial. The other thing you'll need is a diamante strip. We're going to use it in one of the designs for a pair of the earrings. The first thing that you're going to need to do is to burn the ends of the tassels. This ensures that after a while and after a bit of wearing of the earrings, the ends don't fray and they don't unwind, therefore making your earrings look quite dusty and old. But it's just to protect the earrings and to make sure that they last as long as possible and they look in mint condition. With a pair of pliers, you're going to open up the bottom of the hook, creating a small opening whereby you're going to then hook that into the top of the tassel, forming a full earring. Then you're going to close that opening that you just made so that your hook doesn't come out when you're wearing them. Do excuse the fact that parts of the video are not inside the shot. I actually realized that I zoomed in a bit too much, whereas I should have zoomed out a bit more, hence why certain things are not quite visible as much as I would like. Now we're going to do the dusty pink ones, same drill as before. Make sure you burn the ends. Next, you're going to tie that loop that's at the top of each tassel. You're going to tie it about 2 or 3 times depending on how long it is, just so it's way shorter, so that the earring doesn't hang too long on your ear. On one of the earrings, I needed to adjust the knots to tighten and loosen them, just so that the earrings are one length. It would look a bit weird if one was longer than the other. Next, you're going to take the diamante strip, then you're going to wind it around the top part of the tassel. You're going to do this twice, just to see how long it needs to be in order to cover the entire top part. Then you're going to cut, then you're going to glue it on and wait for it to dry. You're going to do the same thing again. Open up the hooks, then push them through the top parts of the loops of the tassels and close them again. The same drill as before, you're going to burn the ends. Then at the top of these tassels by the loop, you're going to push through one pearl. Or you can do more than one depending on what style you're going for. After pushing in the pearls, you're going to secure the top part of the pearl by tying a knot. And at the top of that knot, that's where you're going to hook in the hook for the earring. And there you have it. Your tassel earrings are done. Okay, with the one where I put the pearls, what I did was I cut the ends slightly at the bottom just to shorten the tassels because the one earring was starting to look a bit longer than the other one. And I'd like everything to look symmetrical. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.
Do subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date. See you soon.